Hey, what's up, Spore Finance holder? So today video is going to be very special for Spore Finance holder because Spore Finance this time completely fails down. You can see here minus 15.22% they fails down. Change occur very badly fails down, my friend. So what we do in this critical situation? Sell, hold, or buy. In upcoming days they going up. What's my prediction? To upcoming days they moving up or they fails down. This is absolutely very important for all of you, my friend. If you are a holder of Spore Finance. Without any time waste, my friend, but before I get started, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please click out the red button, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my friend. First of all, the one reason today fails down, I told you, my friends, what's the reason. You can see here they completely fails down in the last 1 hour, and oh my goodness, just a very highest fails, my friends, this time. I think in the crypto market minus 11.67% they fails down just in 1 hour, not even 24 hour, my friend. Just in 1 hour they fails down just 11.67%. So I think this is very bad falls, but the reason is that, my friend, this pause to this is the start of month. Exactly, my friend, this is the start of month, especially every cryptocurrencies very badly fails down like that. You can see here and every and the first week of month, my friend. So this time absolutely they are also fails down, and the price is come to zero because the reason, as I already explained you, to if they fails down, the change occurs in positive, then absolutely the price going up. But definitely you can see here this time they fails down, so it's mean to the price is decreased now. But you can see here 3 days later, the 3 days chart, then absolutely they completely fails down. But this time you can see here the price is 0.0002 US dollar. So definitely you can see here this time the change occur minus 74.98% fails down, and absolutely this is these 3 days is in this month, my friend. So in the May, especially in the May all days especially they fails down. But I hope in upcoming week of this month, I hope they go up like a rocket. So if we check out the last 7 days chart, then we predicate this, my friend. You can see here this time if we predicate absolutely after a fails they take a jump. You can see here after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down, and this time also, my friend, after this fails they take a jump. So exactly in upcoming time, my friend, they're going off like a rocket. Good time is coming soon. Kindly our target, as you can see here this time, if they hit again this point, then 0.0018 US dollar, they fails down to 0.002 US dollar. So I hope if they hit this target, they again hit this target, then I hope they give you very good profit, they make you millionaire. So kindly holders, please hold it, because this time you can see here the first week as every cryptocurrency fails down because people starting selling, especially short starting selling. So therefore this is also fails down. So kindly hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit. So thank you so much for finance holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for videos notification.